Assembling your new oil wax melter. For years of uninterrupted service, please follow the instructions provided with your oil wax melter. You will need the following tools to assemble your oil wax melter: wire cutters, open-end wrench and pipe wrench, rag for cleaning the tank, ruler or measuring tape, and your instructions. Make sure you fill your water jacket completely before turning on power. Also, check the water jacket for leaks. Thoroughly clean and wipe out the inside of the oil wax melter using soap and water. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. Installing the heating element and inserting the capillary tube. Spread pipe cement liberally on the threads of the threaded fitting of the heater tube. As you are turning, screw the heater thermostat into the coupling using the box itself. When it feels like it is getting tight, slow down, making sure when you get to that last turn that the cord is in the proper position of up and to the right as shown in the picture. Be very careful when handling the assembly that you do not bend or kink the capillary tube. This video demonstrates measuring the capillary tube for the 13-gallon oil wax melter only. The following slides will give you the capillary tube measurements for each of the different size oil wax tanks. Locate the capillary tube hole in the rim at the top of the tank. Slip the capillary bulb into the hole and run it down the outer water jacket to your mark. You want the end of the capillary bulb no closer to the bottom than 6 inches or 15 centimeters up from the bottom of your tank. Carefully bend the tube and place the rest of the tube against the tank side. Secure to the side of the tank with tape. Measure the capillary tube and then mark with a piece of tape. Locate the capillary tube hole in the rim of the top of the tank and slip the capillary bulb into the hole, running it down the outer water jacket to your mark. Secure to the side of the tank with tape. Installing the ball valve and testing for leaks. Place pipe cement on the outlet nipple. Screw the three-way ball valve onto the outlet nipple. This should be tightened using hand pressure only. And be careful not to tighten the large ring on the ball valve when installing. You want to be very sure not to over-tighten. Put a few inches of water in the tank to check for ball valve leaks. You want to put enough water into the tank to check your work for leaks. You'll then feel around the ball valve and the heater thermostat assembly for any water leaks. To empty your oil wax melter, turn the handle on the ball valve to a comfortable flow. When your tank is almost empty, you will need to carefully tilt the tank to remove the rest of your solution. Filling the water jacket and installing the optional spigot. Make sure you fill your water jacket completely before turning the power on. Also check the water jacket for leaks. After the heater thermostat, capillary tube, and ball valve are installed, you can fill your water jacket. Make sure to fill completely, and periodically check your water level to make sure it is full. Bring the water level in the fill spout to about 2 inches from the top. Now that the water jacket is filled, you can adjust your temperature. You can install an optional drain spigot if you would like. This is optional and not included. Using a wrench, you'll need to loosen the drain plug and drain any remaining water. Spread pipe cement on the thread of the optional drain spigot. You'll then screw on the spigot and be sure to tighten with a wrench. Installing a drain spigot makes it easy to empty water from your water jacket. Assembling the handle on the lid. When you receive your tank, the handle will be assembled on the underside of the lid for packaging purposes. Unscrew the 2 nuts in order to remove the handle. You will then place the handle on the top side of the lid, replacing the nuts. Be sure to tighten with your wrench. Always stir your solution before checking the temperature. Never turn on power before filling the water jacket, and check for leaks before filling completely, and make sure you read your instructions. Have your liquids ready when you are. Put your tank on a timer to save time and energy. See our timers at soapequipment.com.